Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about IQIYI, which surged 22% today after reporting earnings yesterday. For those who aren't familiar with the company, IQIYI provides entertainment services in China and operates a platform that provides a collection of internet video content. Before I talk about the earnings, let's take a look at the performance for IQIYI. Ticker symbol IQ. So as you can see, yesterday up 21.7%. After hours up down, actually no, it was up 0.36%. So a total of 22%. Past week up 26.14%. Past month up 50%. Past 3 months up 37.38%. Past year up 51.65%, and it's only been around publicly traded for less than a year. Looking at the statistics, so 52-week range, on the low end it's $14.35, on the high end it's $46.23, with current price of $27.60. It's in the middle between that 52-week range. Market capitalization of $8.66 billion. There's no dividend yield, so they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So as you can see, it's a very volatile stock, very high potential for growth, and there's a lot of upside potentially in the long run. And this is like the Netflix of China. So as I mentioned, IQIYI reported earnings yesterday after hours and surged 22% after reporting earnings yesterday. Let's take a look at the earnings. So IQIYI beat by 5 cents, beat on revenue. Q4 GAAP earnings per share of negative 70 cents, beat by 5 cents. Revenue of $1 billion, beat by $27.87 million. In terms of the actual earnings, revenue tops the street with 55% gain. Its revenues crested $1 billion in terms $1 billion in dollar terms and cleared analyst expectations in its fourth quarter results. Revenues rose 55% to 7 billion yuan. Net loss widened to 3.5 billion yuan, about $505.7 million from $612.4 million, but also came in better than expected. Operating loss was 3.3 billion yuan versus a prior year of 856.1 million yuan. In terms of revenue breakdown, membership services, 3.2 billion yuan, up 66%. Online advertising services, up 2.8%. And content distribution, up 124%. So as you can see, very high growth in terms of the revenue breakdown. And then subscribers came to 87.4 million as of year end, up 72% from prior 50.8 million. Of those, 98.5% were paying subscribers. So majority of these users were subscribers, and the subscriber growth is growing really quickly, up 72%. Taking a look at the analyst ratings. So this is back from April 2018 to December 2018. Analysts include HSBC Securities, Credit Suisse, CLSA, Goldman, Credit Suisse, Goldman, BofA Merrill Lynch, Citigroup. So 4 of these analysts give IQIYI a buy or outperform rating in the last 12 months. 4 analysts give a hold or neutral rating, and 0 analysts give a sell rating with an overall rating of moderate buy from the 8 analysts. Taking a look at the price target, IQIYI's average target price is $24.77 per share, and the current price of $27.70 is above this target price. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on IQIYI? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.